Anambra Security arrested some group of people who are stealing a car and piecing it into a purse. Welcome back to this wonderful channel. Don't forget to give us a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. They say police and the security for Anambra don't arrest some people. Those people, they will snatch a big car like a lorry from the drivers and they will now come and pieces it into a spare parts. This is happening in Anambra State, where they called Umoji in Anambra. This is where this thing really happened. So according to the eyewitness and the updates we are getting, they said this car is a big car, a 10 tires lorry. They will pieces it, everything will remain in pieces. Then they will not go and sell it. And they also claim that it's a long time they'll be doing this thing. So we are going to play the video for you to watch, and after watching the video, then we'll come back and analyze it more better. So stay tuned and watch the video.
Oh, one full 10 tire.
Belgium,
10 tire, Belgium.
They go to pass motor.
Kafa buri
They go to pass motor. Belgium.
Belgium.
Motor.
Aka buri ifa. Arin denze security ba. O nezi anyi hono gafu. Onu moji ke ifa na eme. E choza imo ebo, odu agwu ebo. Onu moji ka ọ na-eme. Nu moji ka ọ na-eme. Overnight. Under one day ka na-eburi moto. Na ozu moto. Hello, Zumoto. Hello, Zumoto.
Oh, why did you not see that? What happened now? We are kind of saying that. I'm for the year. I'm for the year.
Oh, go now.
Hello?
Kwa ngore vema. Amechaiga ama. Kwa bongero. Ama azunibe. Can we machine?
That the sample of this machine is bring them, even this keke. Keke na go to carry them come. Na keke carry them come. Na the send them. Na send them.
No, all of our colleagues. All of our colleagues. I go on a motor book on million more. 1 million more. We can't name. I can't look at 1 name. I'm sick of a motor 1 million more. Oh, money boy, under 1 day. God.
I believe my wedding machine.
I'm going to find you, brother. Papa, I brought out a
Welcome back. As you have watched that video and see the kind of damage, will I call it a destruction they did in that motor. Even the owner of the motor will never ever in his life to recognize motor because they pieces it. When you know what is 10 tire car? To pieces it to that extent. That means these people are professional. So however, what are we going to talk here today is that there is people fighting for their freedom, and there is people who are making sure that the invaders, which is the herders and the Fulani herdsmen, did not invade their land. Why some foolish and useless people are out there thieving from the people. This is totally wrong. So we'll condemn it in this channel. We'll say that should not happen. So this is a job well done by the security men. So for this one, I say you people have tried to intercept these people and capture them, because you see a young boy today who will buy a car, come home, you hear they have kidnapped and they have taken the car away from him. So Guys, I'm going to leave this video for you to also contribute to this video. So thank you for watching. See you in the next wonderful episodes. We are bringing it back to back news as the Apple.